y'all, it's your boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Asthma, aka the thing that my ex has. And maybe something my mom also might suffer from also a little bit. Oh, that is very unpleasant. It's tight, constricting every breath, shallow, scraping his lungs that refuse to open. My chest aches, a desperate weight pressing down, and each gasp feels like a futile attempt to push in air I can't reach. I wonder how long I can survive this thinness, this hollow ache. Whoa. Okay. That's a sight. Yeah, that's a sight. That's gonna be stuck in my head. So the name of this is Whirlpool Face. Interesting enough, and let's see what the animation looks like. Me. It's just like me. Do you need something? My coffee machine is over there. Alright, that is my long play with Cup of Asthma. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.